So first we're going to insert the black eye pieces into the eye holes. And then we're going to turn the body piece over and place the clear plastic circles over the back of the eyes. And then we're going to push down until you hear a click, which means it's secure. And then you're going to repeat this step with the other eye. Next, we're going to lay the blue flower piece on top of the front side of the pink body piece, keeping the stitch holes on top of each other. And then we're going to use a blue thread and make an X. So we're going to go under and then over. And then make sure the thread is long so you can go directly into sewing the body pieces. And then you're going to go under again and over. So this is what the cross stitch should look like. So now we're going to fold the two body pieces together and begin our whip stitch. So to go over what a whip stitch is, basically you whip your needle around the edge of the felt, and then you push the needle up through the back of the felt, and then you pull the thread all the way through until it's tight to make one stitch. And then you repeat this, and it should start forming the stitches. So make sure you leave an opening unstitched large enough to add the stuffing. So now we're going to fill the wale with cotton. Next, you have the option of using the binder clips to hold portions of the opening closed for easier sewing. Now all we need to do is to finish stitching up the wale. So now that the base of your wale is complete, you're going to use the blue thread to sew a smile onto the wale. So first, we're going to find the two dots on the wale's cheek, and then you're going to feed the needle through using the blue thread. Then you're going to take the needle to the other side of the wale, and then find the other two spots on the other side and feed the needle through. Then you're going to tie a knot and cut the extra thread off.